I think a lot about where testing is headed. I think that testing has reached a point in terms of its maturity that most people are at least familiar with it, and if not, having had explored it quite deeply or even participated in testing themselves within their organizations. I think there's no disputing that most organizations desire to be data-driven and to be able to make really good use of their analytics and other insights that they are able to capture and analyze that come from their various digital channels. I really think that the next step in this involves going beyond marketing. Marketing was really the first wave of online testing and digital optimization. It was really the obvious use case. It was where we could look at how we could better offer our promotions to our customers. It's where we could cross-sell and really look at opportunities to make the customer experience generally better, while at the same time optimizing against those KPIs that we've been discussing. Now, where it's all headed, I believe, is to another level, beyond marketing, where testing other types of visitor interactions, other types of customer experiences to make them better, again, for different types of improvements in an organization. Sticking within marketing for a second, we're starting to see a lot of folks from the brand side of the business look at how we can improve the overall brand experience. How can we continue to deliver on that brand promise even in an even better way, optimized across all of our various marketing channels? In addition to that, you've got the more of the customer service types of KPIs and business goals. And how can we improve customer satisfaction? And what role does testing play there? So we're starting to see a lot of interest in testing beyond those marketing calls to action and those conversion rates that we so desperately want to improve in order to make more revenue as an online business. And one of the ways that we're starting to see that is to look at all of those different types of interactions that really comprise the customer experience and how to make them better. Whether it's immediately after conversion, when we're looking at how do we onboard that customer and make them more successful, and that comes down to better content marketing and by continuing to deliver relevant experiences in all their ways they interact with us post-purchase. We're also starting to see more customers look at their various marketing channels, and I think mobile is a perfect example of this, particularly the mobile app. It's as a property, it now is much more than a marketing channel. It is something that really improves the overall customer experience, and in some cases is the primary customer experience. So whether we're talking about an airline and the ability that the airline has given to its customer to change the seats on a plane, to receive notifications if the flight is delayed, to be able to contact customer service, to be able to redeem points and book a flight, it now is part of a total customer experience. And what's interesting about this is as we look at this going beyond marketing, it obviously needs to go beyond marketers. So different people across the organization are needing to think about testing as a way to improve upon their specific KPIs in the way that they measure the success of their part of the business. So it's going to be really important that companies like Adobe make their products easy for these other folks around the organization to use so that we can actually truly democratize the effort around testing and make it easy for people to test different parts of the experience that they own. There still is going to be a strong role for the marketer and the optimization professional to really shepherd that process and provide guidance and best practices around the best way to really approach a testing practice outside of marketing. The bottom line is that testing is moving outside of the domain of marketing and the marketer. and really needs to be embraced by all parts of the organization as brands and companies of any type across any industry seek to improve the overall customer experience in this very competitive environment.